Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Today I thought that I would basically do some kind of like a little bit of a cooking show kind of thing. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out, but you know, I might not even post it, but if it turns out okay, then you know. So today we're going to be cooking some kidney beans, and we're gonna put some cheese and sour cream in it, and with a little bit of oregano. And it's gonna be really good. So hopefully you guys will like it. Okay, so guys, this is the pan that I'm going to make magic happen. So first what we're going to do is we are going to open a can of beans. Now we're not going to drain any of the liquid that's in it, because if we do, it's not going to turn out the way that I want it to. Go ahead and turn your stove on to probably about maybe like, I would say about 7. You don't really want it to be too high. So we're gonna do it about 7 and let that like get hot and stuff. You're going to stir it occasionally while it's heating up. Bear with me, I have to get some spices. So the only spice that I'm gonna actually use is probably the oregano, but let's see if I can find it. And there we go. These up here. Salt just spilled on me. Cinnamon. Oh, we don't have any oregano. Oregano is always a good one for putting anything with kidney beans and stuff, but I'm so sorry, but we are out of oregano. Let's see what else we can put in there. We can put maybe probably some onion powder maybe. So I think I'm gonna do onion powder and lemon pepper as the spice. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is put in the spices. So we're going to go ahead and put some lemon pepper in there. We're gonna put some onion powder in there. Probably not that much, but you know, you get the idea. Stir this. We can actually turn it down some. Probably to about, let's say 5 or 4. Okay, now what we're gonna do is put in some of the cheese. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. You know what, I'm just gonna do this. Probably a half a cup of cheese. And you're just gonna stir it in like this. So now that I stirred up the sour cream so it's not so runny, I'm gonna do just 1 tablespoon and mix it all in there, just like this. So that gives it its creamy kind of taste with the cheese. And it's really, really good. Usually I have oregano. Oregano is just so good in this. Like, you guys should totally try it. It's really, really good. Okay, and now we're going to put it in the bowl. Doesn't it look so good, guys? So this is basically what I call cheesy kidney bean soup. But it doesn't really have to be named that. You can name it anything you want. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed me making kidney bean cheesy soup or lunch. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and a comment down below telling me what your favorite lunch is, or have you ever made something similar to what I just made? If this is your first time watching me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.